Go.
Kiko's parents bring him
Take him
to the beach for his 15th
fifth.
birthday.
Mhm.
Kiko smells the breeze of the beach.
Then walks barefoot on
on the hot
sand. Swims
swims on the cool
sea.
sea.
Builds
Builds a sandcastle
with
with a
rough sand and plays catch
mother
with his mother with a smooth beach ball. While playing, Kiko
Kiko
trips
Kiko
trips
trips on the hard rock
and is bruised. Kiko's father lays him down on a soft
blanket.
and
Asa to? Wood.
and nurses his wound. Then
Then Kiko's
parents
parents bring out his
his
birthday cake
and
and eats the
he
sweet
eats the sweet.
cake happily.
Good job.